In the face of global climate change, increasing the use of renewable energy resources is one of the most urgent challenges facing the world. Further development of one resource, solar energy, is complicated by the need to find space for solar power generating equipment without significantly altering the surrounding environment. New work from Carnegie's Rebecca R. Hernandez, now at the University of California, Berkeley, Madison K. Hoffaker, and Chris Field found that the amount of energy that could be generated from solar equipment constructed on and around existing infrastructure in California would exceed the state's demand by up to 5 times. Hernandez explained that integrating solar facilities into the urban and suburban environment near roads and existing transmission lines causes the least amount of land cover change and the lowest environmental impact, and helps locate potential solar power sites that are not remote. Just over 8% of all of the terrestrial surfaces in California have been developed by humans, from cities and buildings to park spaces. Residential and commercial rooftops present plenty of opportunity for power generation through small and utility-scale solar power installations. Other compatible opportunities are available in open urban spaces such as parks. This study included 2 kinds of solar technologies: photovoltaics, which use semiconductors and are similar to the solar panels found in consumer electronics, and concentrating solar power, which uses enormous curved mirrors to focus the sun's rays. A mix of both options would be possible as best suits each particular area of installation. They found that small and utility-scale solar power could generate up to 15,000 terawatt-hours of energy per year using photovoltaic technology, and 6,000 terawatt-hours of energy per year using concentrating solar power technology. Overall, the team found that California has about 6.7 million acres, or 27,286 square kilometers, of land that's compatible for photovoltaic solar construction, and about 1.6 million acres, or 6,274 square kilometers, compatible for concentrating solar power. There's also an additional 13.8 million acres, or 55,733 square kilometers, that's potentially compatible for photovoltaic solar energy development with minimal environmental impact, and 6.7 million acres, or 27,215 square kilometers, also potentially compatible for concentrating solar power development. Chris Field, director of Carnegie's Department of Global Ecology, points out that as California works to meet requirements that 33% of retail electricity be provided by renewable sources by 2020, and that greenhouse gas emissions be 80% below 1990 levels by 2050, this research can help policymakers, developers, and energy stakeholders make informed decisions. Furthermore, these findings have implications for other states and countries with similarly precious environmental resources and infrastructural constraints. The research is published by Nature Climate Change. With the independence for nimble pursuit, Carnegie scientists tackle some of the most profound challenges in modern science, fundamentally changing what's possible for us, our planet, and our universe.